Sup YouTube, whoever likes your book and likes the song way under, I got the chorus too, so this is just only going to be the instrumental. I can't sing and yeah, so here, so what you do first, for you, of course, yeah, here's the instruments I can teach you on too, if you like. This is going to be a tutorial, I guess, you know. I'm kind of no buzz. Nah. Alright, so here. So yeah, that's how the song goes throughout the whole thing, and it starts singing it. Right now, I don't know what to do. I know it sounds horrible, but whatever. So this is what you're gonna do. Yeah, drop that bubble down. So what you're gonna do is gonna pluck the C string and the E and A strings. So you're gonna go C, E, together. So you're just gonna like, so you're gonna pick, and then these are the chords. This is gonna be E minor. So you got your finger. A string, 2nd fret, E string, 3rd fret, C string, 4th fret. This sound like this. And C or high C, you can cover the bottom 2 chord strings, E and A. 3rd fret, C string, 4th, 3rd. Wait, this is the 3rd fret. Yeah, C string, 4th fret, and G string, 5th fret. Wait. So yeah, that's and G, index, middle finger, 2nd string, 1st string, A string, 2nd fret. You go move put your index, C string, 2nd fret again, and ring finger, E string, 3rd fret. Or if cannot, you do this, cover the whole bottom 3 with your index and just put your middle finger there. And here's D. You're covering the top 3 strings of the 2nd fret. You can either put your 3 fingers there. You gotta learn how to bend. If your fingers can bend like that, well, what a lucky guy you are. So yeah, you can either do it like that, cover with your one middle finger, or your. So it's like right here, E. So E, C, A, G. Alright, so it's gonna be like this. So you're gonna do it. So it's gonna be in a pattern. So one time. So it's gonna be E minor, C, C, then G, then G, and keep going like that. Yeah, that's all. You're gonna do the picking the thing, the C, E, A thing twice, each part of it. Actually, no. You're gonna do C and C, and then the bottom 2 strings go up at the same time, twice like this. Sorry, my bad if I confused you, but yep, that is Waiting on the Rain by Boog. Hope you liked it. Did not, give me a thumbs down. I really don't care. Mahalo, bye.